Today I am making a banana blueberry pancake. We'll need a banana, and you need some blueberries, a handful of blueberries. You need some pancake mix and a 2/3 cup of milk. And first, I already mashed the banana, just to let you know. And then I put some blueberries in it. And then I put this in the pancake mix. And then you need to mix thoroughly. And then you don't really want to forget to add some milk to make it liquidy. I mixed the batter thoroughly, and now it looks like this. And now I'm gonna get my butter, just rub it on my pan. I poured the pancake mix into my pan, and then I'm gonna cook it on medium high, and then I'm gonna put this, and then we're gonna wait until it's done. Okay, so I used my help from my mom to flip my pancake, and this is how it looks. But you should still let some more time so that your other side can also get cooked. Now I'm going to decorate my pancake using syrup and some whipped cream. Now, first I will put the syrup. Okay. I'm just going to spread it. Now I'm gonna shake it. Take whipped cream. And now my yummy pancake is ready to eat.